In this video, I'm going to teach you and compare Nagios versus Zabbix versus Prometheus and see which one is the best. So first, you just need to head over, and as you can see, I have in here this comparison article about their current functionality. So as for the easy installation, Prometheus has the best installation. For the max recollection, Prometheus also advances. For the architecture, everything or all of three of them is Thai, and compatible platform is great more for Prometheus. So as you can see right here, you can see that the scalability is partial, while the two checks right here indicates full support. Zabbix and Prometheus have full support for this case. Now, as for the incident management and alerting, it has excellent support for Zabbix, while full support only for Prometheus and partial support for Nagios. For the UI and UX, Zabbix is the best for this, and documentation Prometheus, and it has all pre-planned right there. So if you're asking which one is the best, I actually recommend you to try Prometheus. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.